before. Just got the 3M restoration kit, and we'll see how well this comes out. Alright, so step one is just to clean them with some soap and water. Next step is to mask off the paint with some tape. Next step, use the 500 grit gold disc to clean off the top layer. So this is the first pass. Because of the bug eye shape, it's kind of hard to get the drill on there nice, so I've hand done some of it. I think I'm going to use 3 on each side, and maybe the third pad just completely do by hand. So this is after the third pass. Do the last one just purely by hand. You can see it's pretty tough to get in some of these bulbous areas, even by hand. I was having a tough time trying to really do that well. So using the next grit lower, you can see the leaves more of a white layer than a gold layer to try and help us see what we've got before. Got 2 of these to go through on each wheel, or each light. So here's the 800 grit light after 1 pass versus the 500 grit. Finish with the 800 grit on the second pass. I'm going to do the 3000 on the drill. So here I'm ready for the final step. I just kept on going until the battery ran out, and I swapped it, kept going on these for a while, just trying to make sure there weren't any big scratches left on them. So here's after the buffing. Went over the right one twice. Haven't done the first one yet. And here's the final result. Some haze there on the inside. I think pretty good for first time.